What's up everybody, back with another video. Today we are going to take a look at two Matchbox 5-packs. These are two older sets. We got the City Adventure 2, I think this one is from 2020, and we got the Off-Road Rally pack, which is from 2021. I found these two sets kind of randomly at a store. They did cost €7 each, which is in my opinion kind of a fair price nowadays, as Matchbox single packs do cost around €1.50 right now here in my area in most of the stores. And with that said, I would say let's get right into it, and let's take a quick look at the packaging. We start with the City Adventure 2 set. As you can see, we do have two unlicensed Matchbox models, and we have three licensed models. And as you also can see, I did already cut the packaging open because I think that is always annoying on video. Here we do see the Honda Civic, and also on the back is our black Honda Civic. So let's slide the cars out and let's put them onto the rotator one after the other. We start with this one here, which is the Meter Maid. This is the first casting or first version of this casting that I own. Yeah, it seems like this mimics kind of one of these Japanese K trucks. Maybe we do have a little box here on the back, and the front wheels are hiding underneath the base. So nothing on the back, nothing on the front, but we do get a little light bar, which is of course part of the plastic interior piece. I guess this also could be something, that you can see in some cities when they, are cleaning the streets or something. So let's put this guy to the side. Nothing too exciting, and I would say we go on with this one here. On the base it says it's the Chow Wagon. Interestingly, here on the packaging it says it's the Chow Mobile. Anyways, we do see a food truck. So obviously this guy here is selling tacos, the best handmade Aztec tacos, the original fast food. I think it's not one of the best food trucks they've ever done, and the last time we've seen much better versions. Anyways, it's kind of neat. So let's put this guy in the background, and I would say we go on with a German car, Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, in really wild color. I think I've never seen one of those cars in this color in reality. So kind of a bright pearl orange, maybe you could call this. We got 5-spoke wheels, a gray base. We got details on the back. Some nice details on the front. So kind of cool. We go on with this one here, the Cadillac Escalade. I do really like this one. This, let's call it boxy design. This one comes in a like a pearl white livery. What is interesting, we got a gray base, a gray plastic base, but we got a huge chrome grille, and I think this one does look good. We also get some headlights and some nice details on the back. I hope you can see it. Here it says doesn't really focus. It says Escalade. We got a Cadillac plate. What I do not like so much is it's one of these castings where you can see the post in the back so obviously. I mean, many of these models do have this post, but yeah, in some models it's very obvious, and most of the time it doesn't look really good. Like the black wheels. So yeah, and the last one is this one here, 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. This one does look really good. It's coming in a nice black metallic livery. Got a lot of metal flakes here on the car. Looking really good. We got some crisp details here on the back. Civic license plate, the Honda badge. The front does also look good. Yeah. This one, I would say, definitely is the highlight of this set. And maybe that is why it's also on the packaging. And yeah. Here we are. So let's put this one also in the background. And let's go on with the second set, the Off-Road Rally pack. Here we are. Let's take a look at the packaging. As you can see, we only got one unlicensed model from Matchbox, and we got 4 licensed cars. The one on the packaging is the Volkswagen Golf Country, as you can see right here, somewhere in the desert. So let's slide them out. And let's start with this cute little fella, which is the Baja Bandit. So I guess this is yeah, kind of a buggy knockoff, but it does look really good. It comes in yellow with some yeah, nice deco on it. I would say, let's call it rally deco. Saying Matchbox Beach Rally 2021. Got this roll cage, red base. Yeah, nice. Then we do have this one here that I really like, the 68 Dodge D200. Yeah, I guess this one would look much better with a chrome base and a chrome front, but it is how it is. I really like the livery and especially the deco on the sides. Team 9 Matchbox. We got this molded in Dodge lettering here on the tailgate. Looks kind of good. Yeah, a nice one. And if you are a subscriber of this channel, you know that I do really like wagons. And for sure also this one, which is the cheap Wagoneer. Which has kind of, you know, this, I would say it's more like an 80s look, maybe end of the 70s, beginning of the 80s. Comes with a trailer hitch. And if you take a close look, it's kind of a weathered version. We see some mud splattering up from the tires. I like the colors. Once again, we only get this gray front, which is not really spectacular. And once again, we do see the posts very well, but yeah, otherwise a nice model, nice look, nice deco. Then we have this one. This is definitely a car I'm not a huge fan of in reality. 2016 Fiat 500X. You know, I'm not a huge fan when they, let's say, yeah, take a small car and trim it like an SUV. But maybe there are some people that do like it. I mean, it's a nice model, nice red color, black base, and we got yeah, let's see, light gray bumper on the front and on the back. Deco on the front is okay, also on the back. Look better with a license plate. We do get some kind of a molded in roof rack. Yeah. But the highlight for sure is this one here. It's the 1990 Golf Country. This one is the main reason why I bought this set. I think this one does look very cool, very cool. You can see we get a yellow base, and then we do have this this let's call it push bar here on the front, and spare tire with this whole bumper thing on the back, and all of this is part of the interior, as you can see. And really nice deco here on the side in white and yellow, the romp in the racing team, like the black wheels. So yeah, definitely a really nice model. So let's put this one also to the side. Bring the camera a little bit closer for a final view. You know, normally I choose my highlight. In this case it's definitely the Volkswagen Country Golf. And I hope you did like the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.